Hello everybody, welcome to Two Red Robins and our fabulous new web launch for Some Bunny Loves You. And it is a little bit of a play on words because we do have the most cutest little rabbit in here, and it's a really nice little duo collection because there's just two different dies with this one, but it doesn't mean that you're not going to get lots to actually work with. Okay, so we have got a beautiful graceful garland. Now you get the whole of this garland. You're going to get your matte layer in the background. You also get these extra little cuts which are swifted. So let me flip this over so you can see. There's the little dies, and you also get your sentiment just for you, okay? And it is just exquisite. Love the colouring. The colouring is just beautiful. And I think the artwork on this one is very forgiving, that if you wanted to, it would be super simple for you to colour this in or even change it. Wouldn't take very much. Adding a little bit more pink to the middle of these flowers with your pencils or your different, ink, maybe watercolour paints, etc. So this is really easy to change. Then on top of that, there he is. There's Buttons. How adorable is Buttons? But you don't just get Buttons. Look at this. This really beautiful tall tower of florals. And you also get the butterflies and the little new seedling and then one floral on its own. Just wonderful. So you're actually getting quite a lot here. If I just sit them side by side like that, there's a lot happening. When you look at that, they've actually got quite a lot, which I just love. So, super quick. I've done only a few samples. Let me pull this one in, flip it round like that. Now, even though it might only be 2 die collections, look what you can do, okay? Just incredible. So all that is the wreath, decoupaged up, okay? Few times, and the pieces where I've cut into the decoupage, I've then added in extra in the middle, circle, just some pretty paper that I'd already got, and there's our lovely Buttons. Okay, there he is. So that is our first one. So I just love this. It was so easy to work with this collection, it really was. The second one I've done as a DL, and that's where I've used Buttons mainly. So we've got Buttons, we've got the butterflies, and then he's holding that single flower on its own. And then I've used those really tall flowers in the background to create height. We've got the extra butterflies in here. And then again, some of the leftovers from my decoupage I've popped in behind him. So it's not all just white. And it's really easy because I didn't really have much of the paper left. So I just ripped it up. I'd not got enough to put a fit on a die, and I'd got like a crumpled edge. So I just tore around the edges to add in a matte layer. So it just adds that little bit of interest. And then finally, off of making this full one, because this was an A4 piece of cardstock that I just folded portrait. I made a little tiny one. So my leftovers, these are all my leftovers that I'd got. So they're the extra pieces cut off of my little wreath. I used the leftovers of my cardstock, the piece that I chopped off at the bottom of the DL card, and obviously cute little Buttons. So all three together, I think, make a really sweet little mini collection. So there's just a tiny little bit of inspiration for you for our new fabulous web collection, Two Red Robins of Some Bunny Loves You. Aren't they just lovely? So please, we'd like to see your makes. Obviously, join us on all our social media platforms and also join us on our YouTube, because that's where you're going to get most of your education and inspiration from. So on there, if you click the like button, give us a thumbs up for all what you're actually watching, and you'll get more and more towards your feed, so you'll get notifications. If you click the bell icon, make sure you press the one that's coloured in. It's a solid bell. That way you won't miss any of our Highlight Crafts or Two Red Robins launches. And we'll see you all again real soon. You take care. Bye.
If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video or click here to see more videos like this one.